Hi everyone, it's Vicky here from Crafty Heaven and thank you very much for joining me today. And today I'm going to be showing you how I made this cute Alice in Wonderland card. So this is using the Creative Craft A5 sticker sheets, and I don't know about you, but I find it quite challenging when it comes to stickers and using them for card making, but I wanted to challenge myself and this is what I come up with. So as you can see, I've die cut out the letters to spell Queen. So we've got the birthday Queen, and then we've got some of the stickers here. These two stickers here and the sentiment are actually stuck to some acetate, and I made them into springs, so the images and the sentiment, when you press it, they bounce back up. And I just thought that was a bit of fun and a bit different. And yeah, it's a DL size card, and I hope that you enjoy this tutorial, and let's get started and making it. The other products that I've used is the Card Making Magic lowercase alphabet dies. Again, Card Making Magic, and these are the solid alphabet dies. So the solid one I used for the Q, and then obviously the lowercase I used for the rest of the letters. And then I've used the Textures Bold Floral Background Embossing folder. But this measures 8 by 8 1/4, and along the 8-inch side you'll score at 4 inches. So then that will be a top folding card. And then we've got a red piece of card, and this measures 8 inches by 3 3/4 of an inch. That's gonna lay on top of there. And then I've got a piece of white cardstock. This one measures 7 3/4 by 3 1/2, and then I've embossed that with the Textures embossing folder, and then that's going to lay on top of there. So I'm going to glue them down. And then I cut my letters in the same red card, so they're just going to get glued down onto there. So I'm wanting to have birthday up there. So then I'm going to stick my letters down, but before I stick them down I want to add this sticker here. So this one I haven't added anything behind it because this is just going to get, you know, stuck straight to my card base behind the N. So I'm going to stick that down. There we go, and then that's going to go over the top. And then I'm going to stick down my letters, and I'm just using some liquid glue. And I want to add my sentiment, so I've stamped the birthday sentiment from the stamp set, and I've layered that onto some red cardstock, and I'm going to add this on like a spring, acetate spring, like I have done with these ones. So for that I've got 2 pieces of acetate, and these measure 1 1/4 by 1/4 of an inch. And along the 1 1/4 inch side you will score at every 1/4 of an inch. Then you'll do a mountain and valley fold, and then you'll get this spring look. Okay, so I've done 2. Now I would recommend using hot glue to stick these down, just so then it will dry quicker, but for the purposes of the video I'm just going to use my liquid glue. You can use this, it just means it will take a little bit longer to dry. This is a very fast drying glue, but when it comes to acetate it does take a little bit longer. I have done the same to these ones, but for these stickers I actually peeled off the sticker off the backing here and stuck them to acetate and then cut that out. And I found it was a lot easier to cut my stickers out with the acetate instead of placing these onto some cardstock and then cutting out, because when I was cutting them out with cardstock it teared my sticker, whereas the acetate it didn't. So I've done that to those 2. And then obviously I've added the springs. So that's going to go here, then that one is going to go there. And then just to finish it off, I've got a heart here. So I think I'll pop that there. And I've got a spade here somewhere. I'm going to place that down there. And then I also have a stopwatch clock here. And then I'm going to glue that about there. And I think I'm just going to leave that as it is. So I'm going to go ahead and glue all that down. And then when I've done that, I will come back. And there we go. I think that looks really pretty. And then you can see the springs on them. And if you just, obviously they're still a bit wet, but if you push down on them, they will spring back. And I just thought it's something a bit fun. So there we go, guys. That is how I used my stickers from this paper collection, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. And if you did, as always, give it a big thumbs up. Please continue to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button. Until next time, guys, take care. See you very soon. Bye for now.